Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Learnivo, your friendly place to practice natural, confident English for the IELTS speaking test. Today's topic is something we use every single day, machines. From coffee makers to smartphones, machines make our lives faster, easier, and more comfortable. In this session, you'll hear real IELTS-style questions with clear, fluent, Band 6 to 8 sample answers to help you talk naturally about modern technology and daily routines. Let's begin today's IELTS speaking practice on machines.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Daniel, and I'll be your examiner today. Could you please tell me your full name?
My name is Alice Smith.
Thank you. And may I see your identification, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. That's fine. Now, in this first part, I'd like to ask you a few questions about machines. What is your favorite machine in your home?
My favorite machine at home is definitely my coffee maker. I use it every morning, and it helps me start my day with a fresh cup of coffee in just a few minutes. I love how convenient it is. I can choose different strengths and flavors, and it saves me time and money compared to going out to buy coffee.
Do you think washing machines and sweeping machines are important?
Yes, absolutely. Washing machines save hours of manual work and help keep clothes clean and fresh. Sweeping machines or robot vacuums are also extremely useful, especially for people who are busy or live in bigger homes. These machines make household chores faster, easier, and more hygienic.
Do you read the instructions before using a machine?
Most of the time, yes. I like understanding how something works before using it. Reading instructions helps me avoid mistakes and helps me use the machine properly. But for very simple devices, like a hairdryer or fan, I usually figure it out on my own.
Do you think it is important to read the instructions?
Yes, it is. Instructions explain safety information, maintenance tips, and the correct way to operate the machine. If you ignore them, you might damage the device or even hurt yourself. I think instructions are especially important for machines with multiple functions or settings.
Do you often use machines in your daily life?
Yes, I use machines all the time. From the moment I wake up until I go to bed, I use something. My phone, laptop, washing machine, microwave, and even my smart speaker machines have become part of almost every daily activity.
What kinds of machines do you use regularly?
I use my smartphone, laptop, microwave, washing machine, and vacuum cleaner regularly. I also use kitchen gadgets like a blender and toaster. All these machines help me save time and make my life much more convenient.
Do you think machines make life easier? Why or why not?
Yes, definitely. Machines reduce physical effort and save time. They help us cook faster, clean faster, communicate instantly, and do tasks that used to require hours of manual work. Without machines, everyday life would be much more tiring and time-consuming.
Are there any machines that you find difficult to use?
Yes, some advanced kitchen appliances can be confusing because they have too many buttons and settings. Also, some professional machines like printers or photocopiers sometimes stop working for no reason, and it can be frustrating to fix them.
What is the most useful machine in your home?
I'd say the washing machine. It does a task that would otherwise take hours of effort. It cleans clothes efficiently, saves water, and keeps my laundry fresh. Without it, daily life would be much harder.
Do you think people rely too much on machines nowadays?
Yes, I think so. Many people can't imagine life without smartphones or computers. We depend on machines for entertainment, communication, and even basic tasks. While machines are helpful, relying on them too much can reduce our physical activity and problem-solving skills.
Have you ever had any problems with the machine? What happened?
Yes, once my laptop suddenly shut down while I was working on an important assignment. It wouldn't turn back on, and I panicked. Luckily, a technician recovered my files, but the experience taught me to back up my data regularly.
Do you think machines will replace humans in the future? Why or why not?
Machines will replace some jobs, especially repetitive or dangerous ones. However, I don't think they can replace humans completely. Humans still have creativity, emotions, judgment, and social skills that machines cannot fully copy. I believe machines will assist us, not replace us entirely.
What are the advantages of using machines?
Machines save time, improve productivity, reduce physical effort, and increase accuracy. They help us communicate faster, travel quicker, and complete complex tasks easily. In industries, machines improve efficiency and safety.
What are the disadvantages of using machines?
The main disadvantage is overdependence. People may become less active, less social, or less skilled because they rely on machines too much. Machines can also break down, require expensive maintenance, and sometimes replace human jobs.
Would you like to learn how to operate complex machines? Why or why not?
Yes, I would. Learning how to operate complex machines can be really useful, especially in modern workplaces. It expands your skills, improves your confidence, and opens new career opportunities. I enjoy learning new technology, so I'd love to learn more.
Do you think children should learn how to use machines?
Yes, but with guidance. Children should know how to use basic machines safely because technology is part of everyday life. However, they should also learn to use machines responsibly and not become too dependent.
How have machines changed people's daily routines?
Machines have made life faster and more convenient. Instead of spending hours cooking or cleaning, we can finish tasks quickly and spend time on hobbies or relaxation. Machines also help people work from home, travel easily, and access information instantly.
Do you think machines make people lazy?
To some extent, yes. When machines do everything for us, people may become less active. For example, elevators replace stairs and dishwashers replace manual washing machines save effort, but they can reduce physical activity if we're not careful.
What machine would you invent if you could?
I'd invent a machine that automatically organizes your room. It would fold clothes, put things in the right place, and clean everything perfectly. I think it would save so much time and reduce stress for busy people.
What machines will become more common in the future?
I think smart home devices, robots, electric cars, and AI-powered machines will become even more common. Technology is moving fast, and soon we'll have more automated systems that can learn, predict our needs, and help us live more efficiently.
That's the end of today's IELTS speaking practice on machines. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you practiced along and learned useful expressions to describe machines, technology, and daily routines. If you enjoyed this session, Don't forget to subscribe to Learnivo on YouTube. Give this video a like and share it with your friends preparing for IELTS. Keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next session.